Hello, welcome back to this video. But if you are watching me first time, then please welcome. My name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Fluency in English is not that much hard or impossible if we are trying to get fluency continuously, because I believe in consistency. And my dear friends, I had made already video on the consistency, how you can be consistent regarding your practice. But in my today's video, I'm gonna share you one very important thing regarding our conversation in English. Yes, conversation, whatever we think regarding these conversations in English, basically, if person is not speaking the same language in which is our native language, at that time what would happen? What happens if we meet a person whose native language is not same as ours? At that time we try to converse at that time we try to speak a language, especially we try to speak English because it's a new universal language. At that time, my dear friends, language helps to express ourselves, and if we are not able to do that, at that time we feels very threat, suffocating. Okay, and language is the reason why we are sitting here and the conversations right now. So in other word, I can say that language isn't just a soft skill, it's a survival skill, my dear friends. And if you had realized it, then you are in path of growth. Yes, because regarding language learning, I had realized it, and that's why I'm sharing it now. And so many times what happens that we makes a lot of mistakes even we don't realize it. Yes, but regarding a language, whenever we are trying to speak, at that time we make deadly mistakes over and over again. Okay, to avoid such situations, we are here and practicing English continuously to get fluency, to get improvement. Okay, so my dear friends, when we make mistakes over and over again, even we don't realize, at that time even grow our growth eventually slow downs. But we should improve this, and we are here to improve ourselves. I'm also improving, that's why I'm here. Okay, making this video, sharing my thoughts, whatever I'm learning. It might uncomfortable to hear, it might uncomfortable to hear, but my dear friends, anywhere, either it is public place or office, they don't rewards our knowledge. They actually rewards the way of expressing yourself. Okay, how we are expressing ourselves, how comfortably one can trust, can make confidence, how you enter a conversation, how you handle pushbacks. Okay, these things are very important. Anywhere in field of your job, you enter is through technical skill, but how far you go, it is through your soft skill, of course your conversation skill. Here I am using communication skills, or you can say conversation skills in English only. But my dear friends, very less opportunities are there without English. Overall, I'm trying to say is that communication is in English is very important, and right now we are trying to get fluency in this language. Before starting communication, set your communication goal. Ask yourself one question, that what do you want out of these interactions? It may take only 30 seconds. Many people do this, and I am trying to do this also. It makes me professional sometime, and it helps me to save my energies also. So many time when we don't set our goal, at that time we scatters our energy. So overall, I am here to conclude that communication is very important, and if you are conversation in English, then be careful and do this carefully. My dear friends, that's enough for today's video. I'll meet you in my upcoming video. Till then, take care and bye bye.